Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Today's video, same outfit as another video. Why? Because it's Saturday morning. I'm recording before I gotta go get my oil change, so y'all gonna have to get over it. Okay. So today's video is actually going to be an E.L.F. in Colourpop haul, y'all. I got 3 boxes from E.L.F. I kid you not. 3 separate boxes from E.L.F. And when I shopped E.L.F, I did it online. And when I was doing my shopping, I did a comparison. TopCashBack and that was the percentage that I was able to get with TopCashBack if I would have went through them. And if I would have went through Ibotta or Rakuten, this is the difference. And as you can see, you get more money back when you get E.L.F online through TopCashBack. So definitely, if you're not signed up with both of them, I'll leave the links below, because y'all, this cashback life is not a joke, because y'all know I like to spend money. And if you like to spend money, you need to know how to save it and get them coins back. So definitely check that out. And always be comparison shopping. I'll always comparison shop to see, okay, if I go on my Rakuten, how much am I going to save getting cash back this way? How much am I going to save if I go through Ebates? How much am I going to save if I go through TopCashBack? How much would I save if I went through Ibotta? I compare all 3 and then I choose which one I'm gonna use, because if I'm gonna buy something, I want my most money back because it makes more sense. Okay, so make it make sense. So here's E.L.F. I love how E.L.F stuff is packaged. Box opens like this and then it opens up again. Like, this is just amazing. It opens up again and then your stuff is all the way in that end part. That's crazy, right? And the reason why I have 3 boxes is because when my order, I placed my order, I spent $25, get free shipping and 2 free gifts. So I checked out and I was like, oh man, I didn't get my 2 free gifts. So then right away, they gave me my 2 free gifts. They shipped them separately. So that's why I got box number 2. Then the next day I got an email saying 2 of my items are sold out and canceled that part of my order. So I was like, and looked on the site. The items were still there. Called again. I said, y'all, my items are there. Why did you cancel my order? She says, the craziest thing I ever seen. So hence I got a 3rd box, and she actually sent it to me for free for the hassle. So I got 2 things on there for free. So I ended up only spending out of pocket $8.80 for everything I'm about to show you, which is actually pretty good. So this is the line I was after. This is the Jelly Pop line. The packaging is super cute on the Jelly Pop line. If you guys want a review of this line, definitely let me know in the comments below. I can review the line for you. But this is their water gel moisturizer, and look at it. It's so cute. I cannot wait to use this, yo. Like, you don't understand. And it says, don't mess with my skincare, like on the seal, to make sure no one touched it. And E.L.F is cruelty free, and it says that on the other side. So yeah, I got this. I cannot wait to use it. The next item came in here. I don't know if it was my free stuff. Yeah, these were the 2 free items that I got with my order. For the 2 free items, if I could turn that around, that I got with my order, I got the Gotta Glow lip tint in Perfect Berry. So it's just a lip tint, and I thought this would be really cute as we get into fall, because y'all already see I'm rocking the deep lips. Is it gonna come out? Like, y'all, I'm going like hardcore with it. Okay, so it looks like this. Really cute packaging, really cute. And this is the lip color. To me, it kind of, yeah, similar to what I have on, but it's a lip tint, so it looks a little deep, but it's not too much, and it's hydrating. No weird smell either. So I cannot wait to use this. It'll be nice to pop in the purse the day I forgot to put a lippy on, and it doesn't do the most. It's just a nice little tint to it. So it was nice to get that for free. So the second free item I got from E.L.F, this is the HD Corrective Yellow. It looks just like this. Sorry if I'm not in the same spot, because my camera died, so had to come back after it charged up. So I'm probably not in the same spot, but I tried. Okay, and it looks just like this. Really cute packaging. Looks expensive, even though it's not. It comes with a nice little puff on it, and then of course the powder is on the inside. It's like this yellow powder, so I figure I could use that for underneath my eyes. We'll see how that goes, but These 2 items were free, so I didn't pay anything for those. The last 2 items are right here. The ones that they said they ran out of, which they didn't, so they sent them to me at no charge. It's like opening up a Christmas present. And it kind of is a Christmas present because I got it for free. I got the E.L.F. Jelly Pop Dew Primer. It looks just like that. Really, really pretty packaging. And I got the E.L.F. Poreless Putty Primer. Y'all, I've been wanting to try this primer forever and a day, because y'all keep talking about how awesome this primer is, and it's very cheap, it's inexpensive, and it's such a great primer. Can I get it out? I be fighting with these products, y'all. Look, I'm fighting with these products. Whew, okay, this is the Poreless Primer Putty. Oh my god, I finally got my hands on it. Finally. And it looks like that. And ooh, soft. Doesn't have a smell. And it's supposed to be like the Tatcha or whatever, the expensive brand. Their primer, their putty primer is supposed to be just like that. It's supposed to be the drugstore dupe. So I'm so excited to try this. If you want to update, I can let you guys know. But if you want to update on the jelly line too, let me know, because I have 2 of the jelly line products, and I'm actually going to go in stores today to Ulta and get the lippy, and the lippy is like $5. So if you guys want an update on this, let me know. I can definitely get an update to you. So that's everything from E.L.F. So bye E.L.F. Gotta take these boxes to the recycle. On to Colourpop, make it pop, okay? Yes, my Colourpop order, y'all. Okay, so Trenmu won. Hey Trenmu. She put everybody on that Colourpop was doing a buy one get one, and I was like, what? I had to take in on that buy one get one action. So I got, let me see, I got 12 lippies, a palette, and a sharpener for my lip, you know, pencils. I got all that for $62 or $63, and it says You're a Peach, Colourpop. So I'm gonna start off with the palette, and then we're gonna go through all these lippies, because I needed new lippies for fall, so I can throw out some of my old lippies, because I have some that are old that need to go out. And I just love new lippies for fall, because fall is my favorite season, and I love dark lips. I just absolutely love them. But the palette I got was Orange Glad, and it looks just like that, because they're having all these palettes come out that have to deal with, you know, watermelon, strawberries, all that. The strawberry one just launched. I'm probably not gonna get that. I don't think I want that. But the Orange Glad, I really wanted to try out. Has a mirror, don't want to blind you, but here are the shades. I noticed that they have the backing wrong with the front, because the shades are not matching. Like this one right here, it says that it's zested on the back, but no, it's actually creamsicle. So this is creamsicle, this is squeeze me, this is zested. Then we have sun-kissed, which is this one. Then we have clementine, which is this one. And then we have rise and grind. Then we have you peel me, yeah, you peel me, Mimosa Mommy, and Tangerine Dreams. Now, my favorite out of all of them has to be Creamsicle. Look at that color. Let me put it on my skin. And I just love that color. That is Creamsicle. I take terrible swatches, but that's Creamsicle. That one I think is going to be my favorite. And then Tangerine Dreams. Oh yeah, Tangerine Dreams. Look at that. Okay, Tangerine Dreams is my favorite. Oh, if you use them both together, that's gonna be cute. But Tangerine Dreams is so cute. So I was so happy to get the orange one. So Orange Glad. Yes, I am glad. Now let's get to the pencil sharpener real quick. This says Colourpop. Ooh, it's a sharpener. Yay. That's that. But I got all these lippies, y'all. Let me show you. All these lippies, y'all. And I didn't pay for half of them because it was BOGO. They were doing BOGO. And it was buy one, get one free. So I didn't get buy one, get one half off. No, buy one, get one free. So I got 12 total. 6 of them I paid for. 6 of them were free. I didn't go by whose brand it was, like as far as their collab, like whose collab it was, where I got these. No, if I liked it, I liked it. I bought it, okay? I want it, I got it. On sale, I got it, okay? So I got it. So I got soda pop. And it's so funny because, like, some people call it soda, some people call it pop. I actually call it soda pop. Like, you don't need no soda pop. So, you know, I call it soda pop. But this lippy is super cute. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. That's going to look so cute on my skin. Oh, it's going to look so cute on my skin. And this is an ultra blotted lip. So, I cannot wait to try that. That's going to be so pretty for the fall. This is the Kathleen Lights collection one, and this is in, what is this, Reaver, and it looks just like that. Nice tangerine type of color. I thought this was pretty, and I could wear this right now. Again, another pop of color that will go nice with my skin tone, so I had to have this one. This is from Shayla, the Shayla collab with Colourpop. This is in Shade. Shade. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Why is my phone getting in the way? In the way. But this is Shade. It looks just like that. This color is really, really pretty. Oh my God. This is going to look so nice fall and winter. Say it ain't. Look at all my skin tone. Look at it. It's going to be so pretty. I cannot wait to wear that one. I'm so excited because I'm getting all my fall and winter lippies right now. I got the Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip and Snowflake. You know, like on fleek, Snowflake. And is this with a collection? No, it's not with a collection, but it's an Ultra Matte Lip. I can get it open. Come on, nails, don't fail me now. Okay, and it looks just like that. This is such a pretty color. Look at that. That color is gorgeous. And then on my skin tone, honey, yes. Like, whew, another pretty color. And it's so funny because you remember when we used to go crazy when Matte would come out with lippies and we'd be matte out. Like, we need all matte lippies. Everything MAC had. We need all MAC. Everything MAC. And it's so funny that now, like, we're all branching out to all these different brands that MAC has to cut prices just to get our attention sometimes. And that's crazy, but everything's evolving and their shades kind of are not. But I do have some MAC lipsticks that are, you know, ride or dies, and some collections that come out, I do get pieces of them. It's just no one's really crazy about MAC like they used to be. Let me know below why you're not crazy about MAC anymore. But anyway, this is an Ultra Matte Lippy. This is in Bad Habit, and it looks just like this. Again, another gorge color. It's so gorgeous. Ooh, Colourpop. And I'm telling you, to get all these and that palette for $60, $62, $63, whatever it was, that was a steal. I got an ultra blotted lip. This is in Cherry on the Top. Cherry on the Top is so cute. It is so pretty. This is going to be, oh, kind of looks similar to what I got on. Tell me this ain't gonna be it for fall, y'all. Tell me Cherry on the Top ain't gonna be it for fall. Tell me. Oh my goodness, it is so cute. The next one is the ultra satin lip, and this is in Barracuda. And Barracuda be worn year round. Super, super cute. I cannot wait to wear these lippies. Like, y'all don't know. Like, I'm so excited. I got something that was so out of the box. This is, what is this? It's some kind of blue color. It doesn't have the name on it, but I love the packaging that it came in. So it's called Make Believe. Look at that color. Camera, do it justice. Look at that. It's a blue. It's a blue, but I thought with like the right liner, it would look really cute, and you can just use it in the middle part of your lip on a different lippy. Next one I got is another ultra matte lip. This is in Chalk and Roll, and this is gray. This is gonna be so cute for the fall and for the winter. Say it ain't. Say it ain't, y'all. Look, Yes. Oh, I'm getting hyped for fall, y'all. Oh my God, these lippies were a steal. And this is from the E.L.F Colourpop collection. This one is in Sassy. I already got anything's possible last time I hauled. But this one is the Ultra Matte Lip. And this is in Sassy. Very beautiful color. Absolutely love it. And then I have just 3 more. 3 more, y'all, and I'm done, I promise. I got, nope, we already showed that one. So 2 more and I'm finished. This is season 10. This is from the Shayla X Colourpop. And it looks just like this. Really, really pretty color. I really like it, and the packaging is dope. I really like that. I can't believe we're on to the last one already. Okay. So this is the last one. It's a Kathleen Lights collection. This is in Little Star. And what do you look like? Ooh, this is cute. Year-round color. Look at that. This is really, really pretty. It's crazy because I don't remember everything I ordered because it was buy one, get one, and it was for such a limited moment in time. So I was like, just add in. Okay, this goes with me. This goes with me. This don't go with me. Okay, this goes with me. So these items, a lot of them like, oh, I picked that. Oh, I picked that. But I did some good picks. And this one, you can wear this year round. I'm loving this color. This is definitely going to be a staple. It is really, really cute. Hey guys, that's everything I got from E.L.F and Colourpop. Y'all, I did the thing on thing. I'm telling you, my fall lips is going to be out of control. Colourpop deal was so good. Like, that deal was bomb. Like, yeah, if you got to get the BOGO, what did you get? Because buy one, get one, you save, like, I saved over $50. Okay, and I got all my lips for the fall and for the winter. Will I buy more lippies? If MAC has like an exclusive collection that comes out that I really want one of, then I'll get one lippy from that. But besides that, I won't be buying any more lippies because I don't go makeup crazy like I used to. I know during the VIB this year, there are 3 things on my list that I want to get. So I am going to buy those 3 things. So it'll be a Sephora haul up on here, the next VIB sale. And I think that's it. So if you guys do want the review on this line, definitely let me know on the Jelly Pop line. I will review the Jelly Pop line for you. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. I love you guys. I'll see you later. Bye.